All right, so we got that in, and we had the new stabilizer links, which goes through here. That was a bit of a bear, man, of pushing down here with a pry bar, pushing down while I slid it, got it in, and then now to get this other side of the stabilizer link in, you'll need to jack this control arm up, and then enough to where you can slide it in, then put the bolt in the back, tighten it up, and then after you tighten these bolts, you're going to next take this off and then put the whole hub back on, which is back here. Put that back on and just make sure everything's routed right behind here. Your cord here, that's for your wheel speed sensor. Remember, it goes here and here for now. And remember, we're going to slide this over the top of the hub. Grease your fittings and tighten everything. We'll be back.